Tuesday, May 24th, I'm getting ready to set up what's going to either be a live session or in-studio session with a really dope artist from the IE named Nishan. I see so much of my younger self in him. Music and his energy and the fun that he has in his music is so infectious. That's Nishan right now, so let me get at you.
Tell me where you at. It's a time, baby, tell me where you at. We them boys put the city on our back. We them boys put the city on our back. It's a time, baby, tell me where you at. We them boys, baby.
We them boys, yeah, we turn it up high. This that IE, looking worldwide. Baby, step back, watch me. Baby, step back, watch me.
I'm a king, big stepping, yes I am. Barely booked and overstretched, yes I am. Wrist blizzard, yeah, snowy just like Cam. Ronda Rousey, FD kick it, she get slammed.
I must remove you, your energy ain't right and I should've did it sooner. Thinking you the man like your mama named you Super, but how you measure up when you ain't even got a ruler?
We got an email from a certain Isaac.
Oh, he did something for this?
I don't need that.
Let's go. Let's go.
It's a time, baby, tell me where you at. We them boys put the city on our back. It's a time, baby, tell me where you at. We them boys put the city on our back.
So I made an executive decision the other night about the song I did with Nishan. Instead of it being something that's for the project, I'm gonna go ahead and give him and his team the song because I just feel like I wish somebody would have did that for me, and I'm just gonna chalk it up as just a great studio session in which I got a lot of good energy. First thing up is this feature I got for one of the homies named Fees, and he got this crazy feature he wanted me to be on, so I'm gonna work on that first, and then we're gonna get cooking on the song of the day.
Hey, what you talking about?
I should make it loud, I should make it loud. Give me some back, I should make it hot. I know how to take a loss, wet dog. I shake it off.
Yeah. Tell me what you think I'm about to do though. When you put my back against the wall, I go sumo. Maybe I'm culo, you would think I know judo. Woo! I spell culo. No, that's ass in Spanish. Tell me what you think I'm about to do though. When they put my back against the wall, I go sumo. The way I'm kicking culo, you would think I know judo. You better watch your fingers when you come around a blue nose, you know. You give me curse, I will reverse it like it's Uno. See, this ain't the first, I stay alert, I'm never neutral. Head on a swivel, hound dog with the sniffles. I know life is unpredictable and I am not invincible. Curtis, don't be sensitive. Alright, so at this point, we're on a bit of a time crunch because I want to go to this event tonight. I'm going to bring you guys with me. It's like an open mic event. I just want to kind of absorb more creative energy and be influenced by something outside of my normal environment. That's at 6, and right now it's 3:18. So I'm just going to put together some ideas. I'm not going to be too stressed about them being complete ideas. I just need to get creativity out on the canvas. Gut instinct just tells me this is the one right here.
So want my trunk on it, chillin' full of jelly, girl, and I'm fully equipped, yeah. And some only pain, inside I'm fully a piss, and the fully blaze, and now you're fully suggest, yeah. Far away, got confidence and I could do. I've been so bad, but sometimes I feel you seem so far away.
So that's one melody. I'm coming up with this thing where if I can get 2 melodies, I got a full hook. 2 switches, that's all I want. Ooh. Yeah.
You seem so far away. You seem so far away. You seem so far away. But I know you're on
really didn't want to stop working on this song, to be real with you. I was starting to get into a zone, but I promised a producer that I recently met named Monty that I would meet him here at the open mic. Another reason I didn't want to go was because lately I've been experiencing some social anxiety. But I have fun. But I still want to come back home to work on this song.
That was a nice little shot of creativity and fresh energy. And so now I want to pen this verse. I want to get this verse done and call it a night and then sleep like a baby. But I gotta kill this verse.
Yeah. I'm done playing the psychic, no more playing the pilot, no more driving the car through fog without a license, guy. I know you never asked me to be your sidekick, but I've been grinding since the Motorola Sidekick. I see a couple of the homies enterprising, and I'll be so proud to see your black man rising, getting all the prizes they dedicated their life to, but I was wondering when I would be invited.
All right, it's 2:45 a.m. I think we should leave it here. Let's listen to what we got. Really like this.
You seem so far away. You seem so far away. You seem so far away. And I know you're on your way. I know you're on your way. I know you're on your way, but you seem so far away. Yeah. I'm done playing the psychic, no more playing the pilot, no more driving the car through fog without a license, guy. I know you never asked me to be your sidekick, but I've been grinding since the Motorola Sidekick. I see a couple of the homies enterprising, and I'll be so proud to see your black man rising, getting all the prizes they dedicated their life to, but I was wondering when I would be invited. 20 years ago I made predictions about the future when I plugged the sound card in my bedroom computer. Thought I'd be a super producer with all the moolah till I learned the music industry, nothing but high schoolers. Grown ass men taking pennies to the face. The label take it all and ain't nobody getting paid. Couldn't be me, I need the freedom, not the middleman. We finally making G's, but I know God got some bigger plans.
This is what I miss so much. I just want to say thank you for watching today's video. If you like it, make sure you like the video. Definitely leave a comment if you got some feedback. I really hope these sessions inspire you to just create and see what you can come up with. Peace.